Hey guys, so today I am showing you this beautiful gold and dark brown fall makeup tutorial. My first fall makeup tutorial of the year. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going to use my Profusion Pigment Base Eyeshadow Primer to prime my eyelids. And the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush to blend it out. And for eyeshadow today, I am using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold eyeshadow palette. This is my favorite palette ever. It smells like chocolate, which is my favorite thing in the world. And I just love it. It has real cocoa powder in the eyeshadows. So, yeah. I'm going to use the Real Techniques shading brush and I'm going to take the shade Rolling in Dough, which is just the nude shade. And I'm just going to set my inner corner to brow bone with that shadow. I'm going to use the LA Colors Lemon Drop Eye Palette and my AOA Studio E126 brush. And I'm going to use this light brown right here. I really like the Lemon Drop eyeshadow palette. It has the perfect warm tones in it. Like more warm tone neutrals. And it's just so pretty. And then I'm going to use the shade right here, which is a warm tone brown shade as well, just a little bit darker. And I'm using the AOA Studio E130 brush just to deepen up that crease and at the outer corner a little bit. And then I'm just taking the brush and the eyeshadow that we used before and blending it out a little bit more. And then I'm going to take the darkest brown in this palette with the AOA Studio E132 brush and just focus this right on the outer corner of my eye to deepen it up. And then just blend it with the brush with the shadow we used for it. Just to get that nice blend. And I'm also going to go into the Chocolate Gold palette and take the shade Decadent, the black. I'm only taking the tiniest bit of this on that same brush that we used the dark brown. Like just one tap, tapping off the excess. And using that to deepen that up and make it a little bit darker. Of a brown, kind of mixing it in with the darkest brown. And I am going to take the shade Famous from the Chocolate Gold palette and my Morphe M421 brush as always. And that is the eyeshadow all done. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to my face now. I'm gonna use my Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. For primer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams Just the Cream Putty Primer. And prime my face with that. Just smooths out my skin and helps it my base looks so much more smooth. And then for foundation today, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. I used to use this all the time, but I kind of stopped using it after a while. But I wanted to use it again today, since I'm already using some higher end makeup today. And I'm just blending that out with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. For concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I remember when this was my absolute favorite thing in the world and everyone was using this. Okay, so then for powder, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm just going to dip my sponge into the powder and set my whole face by pressing it down on my face. For bronzer today, I'm using the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. And I'm using this lightest shade right here. With my Morphe JH02 brush. And for blush and highlighter, I'm using the Blushing in Bali 6-color blush and highlighter palette. And I'm using this pinky light pink shade right here. And the JH04 brush. For highlighter, I'm using the shade Glisten, which is like a white gold shade, and my Ducare highlighting brush. And then I'm going to set my base with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. And then for eyeliner, for the waterline, I'm going to use the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Hot Chocolate. Beautiful dark brown shade. I'm going to apply my Essence Lash Princess mascara. And I'm going to do a thin line with my Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black. And I'm going to use my little Kiss number 11 falsies. Okay, and then for lips, I'm going to use my NYX lip pencil in Espresso and line my lips with that. And for lipstick, I'm going to use the Milani lipstick in the shade Sensual, which is the dark brown. And I almost forgot to highlight my inner corner. I'm going to go back in with the same highlighter I used on my face and just put that on the inner corner. And this is the completed fall makeup tutorial. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!